Да ты... Ай-яй-яй. Ай-яй-яй. 1 second. Oh no, I started. It's wrong name. Name and category. Okay. Software. Nice. Hello, 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 hello. I'm here. Let me just post the tier. My Discord, my Discord. Copy. Yeah, just like that. At here. Do you hear the behind me? Vibe. Nice. Okay, now I'm ready to program. Hello, hello, hello. No one is here, but anyway, what we're gonna do today is I had a project before I did project called the compiler and all this stuff. So look at me. Okay, let's. Do you hear the background? No, probably yes. I have some music, but it's not good for like 10 hours of stream. So let's just like. What do I even do in this situation? I would just like stop. Okay. So today's stream is very long, probably. So let's just start. 1 second. Look at him. Look at him go. So I had a project called Solum compiler. It was my language. There's a lot of stuff, a lot of code, around of 10,000 lines of code, but it was annoying. I will show, for example, where. Oh, 1 second. I need to do it better way. 1 second. I probably opened Visual Studio again. That's not good. Yeah, I did MS build. Okay, so give me a second. I need to remember where it was. Yeah, it's W, because it's a W. What? Hey, hello. Так. So, what is the original project? Projecto. Okay, I hope I didn't open some weird sites. I didn't, of course. Yeah, that's. I mean, like, I have 700 of like 669. That's good. I probably need to clear this. So I have some vibe coded profiler. I mean, just I could do it myself, but yeah, later. I will do it later. Okay, so we're opening it with block node, so-called notepad. Inserting this, deleting this, and we have the view of the runtime of the compiler, the old version. Look at this. Assembling 75 milliseconds. It's NASM. So let's just focus on the internal. So it's like preloading files, parsing, analyzing, here intermediate representation, and then last one is interpretation. So we can do hashmap get, hashmap. Hello. Welcome, new bird. So that's what we have. Yeah. Okay. This was also parsing, but so I'll just like rewriting it on C. In C, I mean. Let's get to the point where I stopped. Yeah, right here. Oh, it's in integer parsing. Yeah, I just need to rename stuff, delete some stuff, also dumb stuff. I don't have a lot of dumb stuff, so like let's instead of parsing, it's normal. What is buffer? I don't remember. In parsing parameters, integer. Oh, it's yeah. I have this stuff like parsing type. What is it called? Called not like if you do hexadecimal base, something like you 32 base. Base, I guess. And we do just like this. Integer power. Do you hear behind some noise? That's nice. I hope it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay, let's parse constant. I need to rename them also into normal thing. Lex. Okay, a little bit. It's not a problem. I hope, because it's way louder when it's in my room. So I mean, like when someone randomly starts to work on this and not tell me. Yeah, I could just like play some music, but I don't have like I had this 20 minutes loop that I had, but it's like not much. We need more. Okay. Их там что, два, что ли? Я не понимаю. Okay, Lex. So this is the thing. Now it's Lexer. We have string. We have token. No, it's all token. Integer EU32. Integer base. Вот это хейтеры, блин. Всего-то 20 подписчиков, уже хейтеры есть. Ошалеть. Okay, what is this Lex? I don't remember how it was working. Yeah. We start from Lex process number. We have a state that is damn, it's like a lot of going on. Token. Okay, so now I don't need this because token is here. Yeah, let's just add some music on background. Like it's 1 second. Token. I need some C89 going on. This. Oh, that's not it. Let's. I wanna hear the noise. No. Oh, my music that I never published. Okay. The new album. Yeah. Yeah. Here. I'm here. Okay. I don't know. Like, let's delete all of these playlists and stuff. Take note. This one is annoying. This one is also annoying. This one is not. Possibly. This one is short. Good. Agree. What is this? I don't remember. I did it on a stream, but I don't remember already. This one. This one is possibly also nice one. Evening. Wait. What's different? I forget to data delimiter. Now that's annoying. There is. And there is like the main theme. I don't know where it... Anyway. So, yeah, that's okay. What? I don't like this program at all. New playlist. Okay. I hope it will just work like this. Anyways. What's happening? U30. Param U32. I can actually rename this from parse digit. Lex base. Oh, that's actually interesting. I can do. Okay, let's Lex what? Lex. Digit what? Digit. Lex. Shut up. Parse digit. Digit what? I don't know. How do I name it? So it's like integer base, less digit base. Yeah. Go to definition. Let's hex base parse binary. I remember I need to add something else, like underscores, so we have like 10 and this stuff. Oh. Oh. Yeah, changing developers, it's like annoying. Let's 1 second. Where is my dispatcher Hyper-V? I had also installed some of this stuff. Play it a bit. Let's go. Wait, what is it like so hard for a CPU? Here we go. Arch Linux. Oh, you have two computers. I always use SSH. I have server on my left, computer on my right. Okay, on mass. I'm not saying password. Okay, here we go. That's art. I got from. Okay, so we have Alt Enter. No, it's Win Enter. Nice, Ghosty. Another one. And Vim. I did disable blur. Toho good. Agree. Yeah, so this is what I did, and that's about it probably. I don't know. I got everything I need, and now I wait when Red Debugger will get to the normal state, so I can just switch and never get back to Windows. Yeah, that's about config. Let me just enable blur back. Blur. It just slows down this whole system. Oh, true. It's Ture. True. True. Nice. No, it doesn't. It's like 5 FPS. Yeah. It's old also. It's like 3 months old. Yeah, game I don't really play a lot. It's like three games max, and all of them probably work normally. I don't play online games, so yeah. Also, power off. Yes, nice. I hope it didn't break my bitrate. No, it didn't. Okay, nice. Winyan. 70% of CPU. What? Nice. What can I say? Yeah, like all of the games are so wholesome of them. This one I don't play like one in a while. Winter Story has version. Не, в том-то also works normally on Proton. Everything. Most of the stuff works on Proton, so I don't really like care that much about this. And yeah, that's about it. I also don't know. It doesn't work somewhere, and somewhere it works. I don't know. They have like a lot of different names for everything. Don't remember. Shutdown. It's like breaks everything or something. I don't remember. Okay, let's go back. I wanted to do hex bases right here, so I can do like this stuff. Well, that's not the base of the Sush. Ah, Nick Beard. The I don't remember her nickname. 1 second. Yeah, nuclear burp, but also the different one. I don't remember. Like I had like photographic man. Anyways, it's a meme. Yeah, with sushi. Yeah. Yeah, this one I know. Yeah. It's a bird. What is this? It's a bird. Oh, how about we do this? I have 669 of tabs. Let's just close it, everything. How do I close everything? I just open a new window and just close this one. And then I close this one. Now we have 0 windows. That's unfortunate. No, it's not. Now it works normally. Before that it broke everything. Fine. We will not close them. I would say who is from Toho I like. I don't. I have a lot of my favorite characters. Won't really specify one of them. Wait, what? Yeah, I also need to change this if I need to. Yeah, let's. I wanted to be fancy, but I can't really. U32 or U64. Yeah, there is a lot of nice characters in Toho. Agree. Lex parse const integer. Yeah. So first I need to do is actually I need to add the negative values. Or do I? Yeah, I would like also like just delete all the stuff and make it from beginning. Because it's a bit annoying. Process word it will do because I need to no, actually I don't. It's also annoying. Yeah, let's just this one I will stay. It will stay. This one I can close. I will change it to yeah. Let's just wait. What was it to do? Add cache instead of yeah. That's what we will do. Oh, so I forget that I have this. Not loudness, it's on my end. Okay, I close this peak next, consume. Yeah, so the thing I get to after like writing at least 3-4 parsers, I mean lexers, or like just scanners, how you would say it, just you have a state that you can just rewind, lexer, and that's about it. That really helps to do. Oh, we have some techno playing. 1 second, I need to do this thing first. I will have token. Comparators that compares just two elements, right? So I don't let random art from the made a small data set. That's actually cool. No, you don't disturb. I just like lock in sometimes too much. Yeah. I mean, I will not like I will not understand if someone will talk while I program. So I just like I need to finish before I answer. So it's okay. State. So now what's the thing you need to do actually? I need to get token hero. Consume it. And there will be U32 type. Or you could just say kind, but it's not. So that's basically the things we will do. So yeah, I would actually also tell why I did the initial the project of compiler. This was like my college project in my college. It's not really about. I was like not programmer in there, but I somehow got ability to do the project for this, and it was like really cool stuff when everyone like just did like installing VMware, so called. I did this thing. Yeah, look at him go. This is real program. Game of life done. Physics. Oh, not this. This one will die. Okay. It's a fun part about this. I wrote some code. I mean, in my language, just knows somehow. Well, that's why I just actually need to redesign it. Like you see this weird stuff. Like I still have. Actually, can I do set file type? File type SLM. Yeah, nice. So how my compiler works is you define everything like this, like A, 32, B, 32. No, it produces binary. I mean NASM, not real binary. I showed it. Let me just show it again. Like this is Game of Life, profiler of Game of Life. This is a JSON file. I'm wipe coding this shit. So this is compile time of the project. So I just did it like a week ago just to see what's even happening, why it's so slow. You just see like external parts that I don't do. It's like backend generation 6 milliseconds. It's creating file and then writing it. And assembling, it's a NASM step. It's like just 177 milliseconds. I don't know. Do you see it? Yeah. Linking 47, it's like a link.exe. And this all the stuff. Wait. Step up. Yep. This is my internal phase of compiler is 2 milliseconds. It's also slow, but it's, yeah. I will rewrite it too. reset review. Load in process, it's parsing also, because I have some weird stuff. Yeah, I wanted to do LLVM first, but you just look at this code, what is he provided, like, no, it's not for, it's like not the college project. Where is my NASM backend? NASM backend is also like very horrible in speed. Look at this. I have like insert line, it's for debug information, and then I'm formatting the string load effective address from stack pointer. Yes, yeah. Wait, that's Alacrity freaking out. So you have like some things like load is stack operation. I mean, let me find the load. Yeah, I'll use it everywhere. So like binary operation, division, shift, bin, compare, pop, comp, move. Yeah, so that's, and it's just like generates stuff. This I generated some assembly because I'm not doing this in this way. I will do it later normally, but it's good enough. I mean, I only generated this stack stack probe function. This other stuff, it's like my runtime setup is like getting Windows SSD handles and setting a buffer and stack, command stack, no, not command, data stack, and get char and put char. Yeah, let's just, I can show the examples, I guess. Solum compiler, it's old version. First we can compile everything. Yes, it works. Yeah, we are already two times deep into the NeoVim. Yeah, this is how NASM works inside. And then you can just like, let's load Game of Life goal. Yeah, that's about it. Also fun fact, because I did the, oh no, okay, RadDBG, bin, Game of Life, I have PDB, and like the most exciting thing is this. We're calling main, and it works just from there. Step in, yeah, we can step in, look at what's happening. Let's go back, drawing, step in, cleaning the state, it all works here. Yeah, calculating the size. The problem with this language, it doesn't do any, I mean it does, but not in this. In some weird stuff like compile time is really weird, because you can create like something like, oh, else this 32, it doesn't matter anyway. Like this will be this one, it will not be like set up to the global. It will create internal function like init globals. Basically, I don't remember how it called. Something like this. And this will set this value to 1, basically. So it's just not there. But I can do actually something like let me function, let's name it fn. I can do something like this, fn1 2. So basically, yeah, I can, it will do this step on the compilation. Yeah, it's actually valid code. I can try to compile it. Let's do it. cd, I mean, fine. Сохрани как test.slm. Это не команда оператора. Shut up. Okay. Where did I save it? Okay. So now I do dot solum compiler binary slm release exe, and then I do I get the test file, and then I do output. I don't remember how I need to do it, but we go to bin and then test, and we don't supply the name, because I mean extension, because it couldn't find the main in. Yeah, I need to do a main. Even if it should be like empty. Oh, I need to do a S32. Or no, it doesn't matter. I don't have types. What? Yeah, that's also dumb thing about my language. It needs to have this. Okay, we compile it. Well, already too deep in this, like. Okay, NASM. And here we go. Main function, and it doesn't produce another one because it's like compile time. It doesn't really exist in this place. But if you do this same stuff, but you do verbose, it will do this first. Let's just send it to a file. JSON. Exit. You can exit. Imagine that. We have a file, and now we can do the. We can copy and load this into this one, and it will show like what's happening. Yes, it was simple program, so it's like mostly the linking phase, but we can get into this ERGen compile program. Oh no, it's not. It's this one, interpret interrupt func. And this one is basically does all the stuff. 9 microseconds. Nothing. Step up. Yeah, that's about it. Let's do the code. Test the Solum file JSON. Test XC. I could actually get an RDI information just for our rat debugger. Our favorite rat debugger. Okay, let's do Lex token advance. Lex token pick. Actually can do like amount of pick things. Like U32. How much? Offset. Instead of pick next, I'll just do like offset 1. Yeah, that would be nice. Okay. And we'll do. So, right now we just like assert header. I'll assert header. Return our token through header. Actually like to write now types from like Pascal case, I guess. Yeah, Pascal case. Because then you just can do. Yeah, so like I get this stuff. Convention. My convention is that everything like functions, names of the variables are lowercase with snake case, or how it's called, and the types are nice sound. Okay, types are like this. That's about it. It's like very nice. I like this. Oh no, types not like Pascal case. They're Pascal snake case. So like IST3, IST not, something like this. I would write instead of. Yeah, so what can we do is basically we just need to eat always white spaces, like I do here. Lecture. Yeah. Right now we just. Lex. I can even inline this one. Skip spaces. Or like spaces skip. Just need to... Oh, I can actually loop this one away because I like this. Let me get back to my original code. I need to at least look how it was written. 1 second. Hash map. What am I looking at? Scanner. Yeah, convention of naming it scanner, it's from book crafting interpreters, that and so on. What right here on my table, I mean, not table, the other thing. Okay, I guess I can finally rename streams. Compiler. My language. Plus compile and to C. 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 Yep. Yep, kinda like this. My Mac works. Okay. So what we do? First, we don't have allocator because I have finally fixed the problem. We have always temporary allocator available. Yeah, that's part of my library. Another one. Trading also works. So yeah. Advanced token. Okay. So what is happening is we just eat all the white spaces and then we created clears the token. So I just do clean. I'm clear, uncleared, yeah. It doesn't matter. If I only one who uses this library, I will not rename it. Token from. So the fun thing, I had I basically ID where I get this token from. I mean like a pointer to a scanner state, Lexer state. It's not really good because then it's like you have like reference to a reference to a reference. It's not really gets anywhere good if you want like do it like this. So I need to change it somehow. I don't know how I will do this. Like we can do a hash table with file names and we'll just like save a file name for into token. Why did I even have that problem? Let's just check. It was in analyzers 100%. Okay. From. I need to from. Token dot from. Yeah, so this happens. Find and add file. What's happened in here? What? Ah. So like to load the library, I mean load another file, I like get it in the same directory, I guess. Like I have I mean find and the node is basically the like where it did find it's analyzer preload all files, yes. We get we like check every file and then if we find it, yeah, it just checks for unnamed named model load. Wait, unnamed. Named one doesn't, I don't support it, even though I have it. Yeah, and also we'll need to rewrite the parser because it's a bit annoying how it works right now. From, let's check again. Where do I use it also? From file. Yeah. So if you like do it in this context, it's like tries to do a working directory stuff. So if you know, like when you include files like this, they first search in the same directory, even it's like inside of src. So that's why I do this. Can I have a better way for this? I don't really want to like save the file from very like file name in the token. Oh yeah, I can actually do it. Let's okay. So it's like we can like track from which file we are at because we already know it's here. Files, entries, yeah. Source file, yeah, all this stuff. So probably I don't need to save token from state. I'll just do it like this. And we already like save. Yeah, let's next track. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to play this. Wait, we have a silence, finally. Okay, so what is even happening? Match char lex care match care state what state there. So if it's an end of, so it's like a of token, so we just return token of. So token type is token of, and I need the position data. Instead of doing this, I can just like set populate something like static data right here. Void lex init token init with lexer state and the token we do. So just like all we need to do is set the type. Oh, actually I can, yeah, if I do it normal way, I mean first what we do and then, yeah, so first is subject, then object. I can actually also use 32 type, do something like this. Can type equals type token L0 equals token L1, and it's it is what it is, state L. L is not good, we need more W's. Okay, what else we have? Token out and header. We have data, and we don't really need it. We'll set it up in another place. Also, it's not like this, it's like this. This is a bad thing about C. You already know that it's pointer. Why not just like... Anyways. State is this. Also, it is a pointer. So we do like this. Lex token init, and we just return token. Token. Where is it? Where is the file? Parser, where scanner? No, it's a sorter. advance from behind. What is happening? Where are you? Okay, so we just pick character. U30, yeah, U8. CH because char is reserved word. Lex chair pick. Keep. Key state. And what are we doing here? It's command. Uh-huh. Okay, I will not do it like this. Instead of this, I will just do this. Okay, I need to copy the stuff I have. Uh-huh. So because I do advanced care, I don't really do anything else in this thing. So because I don't want to do this now, I need to do advance in here. State kind of like this. And then what is this? It's multi-line comment. I need to re-implement them because they work exactly like in C and it's annoying. Case advanced care. What is this? Why it's only So if it's not, yeah, if we need to pick next character to get this stuff. Okay, I would actually like to do the car and next instead of the ch. Next and here, Lex char pick next. Yes. If next one is star, next. Yeah, I would do this way. If it's not, we just return. Wait, break. Wait, if it's not, we just continue and go into the normal one. Instead, we need like a multi-line comment. I'll do a multi-line comment in here. That's why I need to parse them separately, actually. Because then I could like do this next char again if it is a like command start. If current is this one, then I need to check if the next one is one of the two things. If next one is also this one, or it will be next like star. Here we do like, in this case we just do it like this. And we do a multi-line comment here. I mean like it multi-line comment or it normal comment, it doesn't matter. I mean matters, but yeah, so while yeah, it would be easier to do a static function. Lex it comment, it line comment. No, wait. How do I like something like this. State u8ch. No, it's wrong. I don't have this. Lex char pick. Lex char advance. Lex char pick again. Same stuff, but I need to. And second, I need to do u8ch. So if we here we just need to advance it 2 times and then like, or do we not advance and advance in here? So we just do it 2 times. Ch something. I can do assert instead. No, I should not do assert. Assert is just for debug version. Ch equals. It doesn't equal. It should be assert, actually. But it should be assert on this thing. So we eat 2 of them. It's command line. Or just. Yeah, like this. And then we do skip until the new line, I guess. And while character doesn't not this. Simple. While character not 0 and end character is not new line, we just skip it, skip until we can't skip more. What is this actually? I don't need this. Because I can do just this, like case 0. Oh, we have background noise now. Then second. I'll do some music so it's. Yeah. So it's just talking and we return it later, not here. I can actually do this. Doesn't, no, it doesn't. Well, I can do car. And car is the wrong type, so it will yell at me. So let's change to U32. If car equals next, aka not multi-line comment, we do this. State. Else we do multi-line, and there we do some interest. Not yeah, like this. Static void. Lexer state. Okay, we assert this stuff because it starts here. Oh, actually, I wonder if we can like do the. What is it like? We check 2 values, and then if it starts like this, we just like recursively do another one until it ends. And just like we don't really need a lot of this. Let's actually. Okay, what do we do now? Instead of ch, I will do car again. in here, because we also need next. And then we do the pick. Let's copy these ones. We pick them and then check. While car... also. Call not... Call, осуждаю. Car. Car not equals star and... Is this how you do? I forget. Yes. So it's not if we just skip one and then we do the same. But before we do it like this, we check if current equals this one, e next equals star. And then if it does, we just like do another one. I don't think it will like break, but it is possible that we have some Stack Overflow because of that. Anyway, all of the compilers work on stacks, so not a problem. What's this? Oh, actually, this file index is not a member. It's okay. It's just an index. Actually, what do bugs, errors we have? Current char is not a member. Okay. It's not. It's just C. Current line is L. We need W instead of L. Okay, Burma, shut up. Token constraint lex picture is not an picture lex char pick. Do you have anything else? What's happening? CLS token constraint. Why it's even? How did it's lex constraint? I need to rename these types also. Elf lex. Where is it? Another one of this. I've seen the ident. Actually, I need to delete this code because it doesn't matter now. What? That's wrong. That's wrong file, unfortunately. Okay, so it was last. What did I change? Anyways, I need to do it here. Token. Yeah, this one is lex token of lex. Okay, it's all warnings. Consume token, offset and declare conditional. 123. What is this? Yeah, it's okay. Why it's a problem? That's why I did it. No? I need to change the warning level for this one. Offset and declare a conditional expression is constant. Yeah, it's okay. Let's change it back to warning 3 instead of W4. Nice. What was that? Consume token. It's okay. Token pick is also what we need to do. So okay, and also after this we need to consume all of the two of them. Okay. So let's build. Okay, so now can I test this one? I want entry. I need elixir for this one. Anyway, I can do elixir. 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 What do you have? What do we need? Just file. File is string. I forget how the. Like this, I guess. It should not assert. That's what I know. Let's do the debugger. Target. To. What's happening? Ah, it's okay. It's right. Oh, it's wrong one. I need a multi-line. Same error. Okay. I mean, not the same, but what's current? Current is wrong. I probably did something very not good. That's right. We pick the. We shouldn't pick. Wait. Okay, what's happening here in here? Okay, one of them is breaking. Okay, can I shut up this music? I'm up. What is happening here? Current is not 0, so it's true. Current is not. Yeah, I see why. I shouldn't do this. I mean, shouldn't do it like this. Because I do like there's it just doesn't really work like this. Let's change the multi-line. Not equals 0, true. But if it's and they should be like in 1. Yeah, I see. Like this, and it should be inverted. Or I could have just like changed it to the end. Or like I do it not equals this, or not equals that, by the rules of Boolean logic. Hello, college. Yes, it does work. Let's check what is even happening right now. Shut up. Attention. Okay, so first we skip. Okay, nice. Next go. Oh. And now what's happening? Current is. Oh, actually, that will break. It works right now, but if it encounters an 0, it will not go in here. Let's get it going normally instead. If current equals 0, we just return. It doesn't matter. Same stuff in here. I mean, wait. Oh, it's a multi-line, and this one it doesn't matter because we just need. We actually need to skip. one character also, and assert that this character is a new line. That's what we do. Because it should be new line. If it's not, it's problem of the compiler. Current undeclared. What? Where did I do it? Yeah, ch. If ch is 0, we just get away from this. Okay, it does work. Let's check what's happening in here. Shut up. Shut up. Okay. Current is this, and next is this one. It's not. We open another one. Check this. And then we get out. Assert this, it's okay, and then we oh, it actually shouldn't be like this. Yes, that's good to know. It will be fun bug. Else, you need to do else instead, because in this case it will just eat another character that we shouldn't eat. So we need to change that. Да. Multiline eat. Should just work. Yep. Okay. We have multiline comments that are normal. If I do it like this, it shouldn't break actually. Oh, wait. It will break. No, it won't. It will actually will not break. Because if it encode... Yeah, it shouldn't break at all. Okay. I can delete some this test logic right now. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up, bird. Actually, no. I'll create the lecture. The lecture. Get back to this. I can do some stuff like tokens, like token identifier. What's 3.20? And then we just like token while true, of course. If you need do while, you just do while true, of course. It's a rule you need to always like have anyways. Token lex token advance lx reference if token type is equals token of, it's not lex token of, we just break, else we just skip. Yep. Else we do fprint. I mean just scene log right c string. I need to change this name. It's too big for the login function. Okay, hello, what, hello. At least I can do the talk type. I need to change it to U64, of course, because it's not standard. Okay, we don't have anything, it's okay. Because we just return token EOF instead of normal tokens. Let's get back to the work. Where is scanner? Scanner. Consume, pick. Okay. This very not cool. I mean, not interesting to do. But why not? Yeah, like, what's happening? It's just like Friday, dude. Can you just... It will be even funnier if it will be like... Not Friday, it's like Sunday. It's like classic. Wow. Lex, also Lex, not much. Yeah, instead of match, we just like current is in next is equals this one. Then we do token Lex token logic with best years in my shut up. Best years on the remove space. I need to be an idiot to like. Okay, so what are we gonna do in this situation? Just this. Okay, advanced care. Lex. Share. Advance. And what do I don't need to do this, so it's peak. Actually, it doesn't matter. It should be still next, so I just like... Anyway, I get this one, and now we have advance will be the next one, so if next one is this, we just Lex char advance, set this stuff, and then go away. And don't forget to do the same here. So this is a basic concept behind it. No, hello. I'm working hard. Okay, shut up. I'll do the same stuff. It's this one. Oh, I actually work from terminal. I didn't notice. I need to get back to normal place. I need to get going back. Lex token logic or magic missile. Dark blast. A fruit with tiny letters ending with O. It's avocado. However, shut up. Not equals less than equals less. How much? That's a lot. Let's 1 second. Q, and then I do normal one. Here we are. Fast update instead of this terminal. No, I don't like the font. Change it back. What's happening? Maximize doesn't work. That's classic. Alright. Shut up. This like in background. Copy this now. That's a lot, I think. Let's do macro. Macro magic. Somewhere in advance. How do we call it? Like teacher token. Two char token second. We just like do this one goes like lex care advance. Then we do this if else block. Yeah. Some macros. Grr. Shut up. I need to do this like this. Second ch. It's first, and then token type. Yes, like this. To char. If it's like this, we do this. Break. It should just work. I hope it will. I don't want to debug this. Yeah, like this bone mass, like this. Logic. They work on every. Where? Shut up. Return? Do I have a return token? No, I don't. So, I need to add more also. Like add plus something. Compound. Shut up. Open brace, close brace. What? Why do I need this? I don't know. Okay, let's add back the compound token for return, because I want to keep it. Token red is... Why do I even count them? Like, why? I mean, this one is okay. I need to get the ID from somewhere. Yes. And then it's like, okay. L shift, R shift. Return is also here. Return is this. Lex stock cannot equals. Why do I need like to finish the stream? I don't know. Like, it's not good. Background sound is not good. I will still program. It's just like it's annoying. Who's her? Shut up. Okay, so this is enough. Now we have like pick from one and another one. So I need to change this one. So do we have another? No, we don't. Nice. At least this. To char. I will just copy it and paste 2 times instead. So this one LEQ. The sound in background is like wonderful. If next equals this one, then we do another one, and then we just do else. So same. Wait. I actually don't need this one. Okay. I think I don't need this one. Do I? Yes, you do. Less equals, and this one is left shift. Like, what's happening? Like, we get this one, and then we need to get that one too out. Yeah, so I don't need this. Nice. And same stuff in here. Brack. Break. I prefer brack. I also was thinking, like, why not name the structs plex? Like, if you know what I mean. Okay, greater EQ. R shift. If it is this one. Okay, and let's just quit. Okay, we have this, this, and this. That's why I did this like this. Doesn't really matter. I think it doesn't. Anyways, I will add some more later, I think. Yep, let's do break. Actually, this one and also negative one. Oh, actually, I don't have this. Ah, this one is already here. And this one goes in here. Yeah, that's a lot of... No, nope. Nope. If I need it, I will do it. And I will need it. Shut. Yeah, I know that you're not on the stream probably because it's like one person, but Nazem is really slow. I just wanted to say. I wanted to do my backend, so like, and also I hate C++ after that project, so that's why I'm rewriting it in C. C++ is so annoying. It's like Okay, we hear this track another 10 times probably. Scanner. Hello? Shut up. Сколько времени? The time of the stream is 1 hour. Wait. Yes. 1 hour 25 minutes. 1 second. My mic works. My mic works. Okay. Okay. Where are we at? What do I need to add? I forget. It's not it. Okay, so have this. We need a string default. Check if it's. Let's just do this. Lex process string. Is that all you need? I need to do to set up token? Yeah, L0, L1. I don't even need this one. So we just do process string, and process string gets a lexer. Lexer. What state? It's a state. It's a state. Okay. Token from not equals null. What? Do we need to check the value? Right now we just ignore the result because in fair it returns only token end of. What does it mean? What does it mean? What do we have in failures? What it could be? Return false if unexpected end of line. So I changed that. And that's basically it. So no, we don't need to check because it doesn't have any error. Okay, now what do? We check if lex char is letter current, and then we process the word with identifier lex process identifier state, and we do token. Identifier could be a keyword, so yeah. Else if lex char is digit char current. Token equals lex process digit const value. I guess no, number is good enough. I can actually import my code I did for JSON. Compile. What are you talking about? The JSON thing, like for converting numbers. But I might just change it because I don't want all of the stuff they have in there. Or I'm just like a copy, or it's just copy. Who knows? Shut up. Okay. Else it's assert. Yeah. We don't have an logging. I mean, we have. We actually have. Sin log write. C string. Known character. C. Can do U also. Something like this. And it should return token type. Yeah, let's just, where is it? Token init. Lex error, token error. I did everything wrong. Let's just change it. Lex. What? Yeah, I know. Process string. Process what? Number. Elixir state. Static token. Lex process. Not word, identifier. Elixir state. Okay. Turn something like... I should have made end of line not 0 actually. An error should be 0. So by default we have an error. Yeah. So I can just like return the empty token. The classic one of C. Okay, what's happening on the side, on this side? After I finish this token. I think it will just work. Let's just try it. Convert from char to local level. Yeah, that's right. Sin log error. Syntax error missing for 8. Why do I miss exactly? No. I miss semicolon somewhere in this code. Probably in these lines. Lex process. What did I miss? Two eight. Yeah, I see. So it's probably... No, I don't see anything at all. What? Did I miss something? Yeah, I forget to close. Where did I do this? Don't get. Not yet. Oh, I see. I just didn't notice this one. Okay, now what's happening? Okay, assertion. Whoop whoop. Let's do a debugger. Where are we at? So this should be a token. Token error if I process identifier. Yeah, I see why. We need to process identifier, but we don't do anything, so it just doesn't advance. Let's just lex advance. I mean char advance. State. And same for the number, and it should at least work. So is this one end of line? 0 is error. 44, 33, 33. Where is the output? Let's copy. This like this, stock type. Yeah, it would be nice if I had a new line, I guess. Yep. If talk Token type not equals null. I mean lex token error. Yep. Else we do just error token. I can cheat and do it like this. Okay, error token, this one, what? Was it in here? Yeah, it was. Okay, now we need to parse the identifiers. It's actually not hard. I will copy it from this one, but I need to change all of the keywords. Parse. Yeah, wait, process, what? Process. This word, this one. This one has some like weird stuff, so we need to change it. First, we don't have allocator. Second, we don't have a token like this. We can do token init, actually token. Where is it? Lex init something. Lex token init. First is type, ident. Lex token ident, okay. Identifier. Second is what? Second is what? Second is token and then state. Okay. I'd actually like to clear it before that. Okay, I don't need a buffer now. I think I don't. Yeah, I actually don't. What's even happening here? U64i. Current index. I don't need this because I can just like point to a buffer and then I will copy it when I finish. Okay, so first one is this max ident size. I think I will get it. I will still like, it will be a real thing, but like 500. Yeah, we don't need this. We just return token and type of the token is lex error. Token error. Let's identifier is too big. What do we have? Log write r c string sin log error. I mean, does it even matter? Like we can just allocate more space. Yeah, I don't know. Let's just like do it like this. What did I even do? Like, I can actually do this. State L. Yes. Lex char is number. Lex char pick. Okay, what's even happening right now? Pick current. Current is 0, I guess. I mean A. Char is number or what? Okay, it's a real thing. Just can do it. Lex, care, advance. Token type buffer I is 0 it doesn't matter. We can do like start. Identifier start, yeah, like in string. If it's not, we just like state index is this. We don't need a buffer. Just can copy it later. Where is process string? I can just like from file, yeah. String from file. Like string start, and then we do token type like error if what? Ah, it's about this, okay. It's not a big problem actually. I mean, yeah, it makes more tokenizer more complex if I add this logic of cutting like at some size. And actually, maybe I don't need that. I don't think I need. Well, let's just do this. I++. This one gets away from there. Just have from file. And we do state. File data plus this, basically this line. And then we do match. If it matches with a keyword, we just like skip it. So it's an it's easy to do. It's not like hard. I just do string compare. Let's do it. Inline lex check if token is keyword b32 token wait, it's literally like I just check it against this one. Yeah, we just return token. Yeah. Just set it in here and there we do match, but we don't do match in my version. Yeah. Yeah, I have an idea for this one. So static inline. We don't do anything in here. So it's void. We do lex set if, how did I do it? Set if keyword in my project down. Project down. How do I say down? Right. I don't understand. Okay, introspect, and I had like in peak token set if keyword, yes. So we just do mem compare for everything. Set if keyword. But I will do it a bit differently. So we have string first token. No, I mean it's word. Yeah, like this. We need to copy it, but 1 second. Identifier, and then we do token. Is token actually our token that we need to check if. So we just like string compare, on string compare, identifier, and if they are like equal, we actually set this. Okay. I mean, like identifier, and then you like 32 key. I mean type. Type. To which type? We said it because I don't have introspection or anything. If there is same, we just do. Also, before we do that, we do check token to be type equals identifier. So we accidentally don't do anything else. Yeah, if it's we just return. String compare, okay. Second. If they're not equal, we just return. What's happening? Outside something. Okay, token type. Set of keyword. And then we just like do this dump stuff of just naming all of the keywords and setting up the type by them. From file. Yeah. Taken. And here we do what? The actual keyword. It's not good. This one is not good. No good. Pickle, no good. It will be. Actually, it will be better if I did like C string instead, because instead of keyword I'll const char pointer, because I don't want to like. No, it doesn't matter. I'll do lens anyway. Keyword, and then we do the keyword type. So for every keyword we have, we need to write this. Let's check what keywords we have. First, we don't have anything. It's because I deleted everything from there. Let's get back to the code I need to actually port. I mean, rewrite. Scanner. Okay, we have struct keyword. Let's do this. Lex struct undo. Union enum. It's all stuff I need. Enum. Then I think what? Wait 1 second. Wait. I need to log in ERL for a second because it's fun things happens right now, I guess. I feel vibration. Strange. I guess it's nice part of living in the like what's mountain region. Okay, Lex. Or I'm just like hallucinating right now. Okay, token. We need a token if, of course, if else. It's equal for while, of course, while. No, actually, maybe instead of token, I will do keyword. Lex keyword, yeah, Lex keyword. No, it's not. Yeah, shut up. What is id keyword? I remember what it is. I don't think I will do it. I'm not copying Jai. I'm waiting for it. I need to use keyword. Us. Oh, I remember us. I need this. I don't know. External I need. Break continue. What? Token break. Lex token what? Lex cast token cast. I don't think I need to do them as keywords, I guess, because it should be. Yeah, I don't really know. I know that I need true false, so at least have a constants for that. But I don't think we need like standard type as. No, anyway, let's just do it. I'll change it later if I don't need. And actually, I don't really know if I need like to do it like this. Like if I do token for everything, then it will be harder to separate from user types and not user types. So if everything is user type, basically, it just they redefine it in the compiler itself. Will be better. Anyway, copying some type info and types, base types. What's happening? Lex token. Also, I don't want this. B8, B32. I never did types. I'm still thinking about how do I do functions. I mean, I want to do constants like see we are in these fancy languages. Yeah, I do it already anyway. Okay. Okay, I'm tired of this music. Cast. Yeah, like this. Where is the use? It's here. I don't know. Do I need to do it? I don't know how to do it right now, so. Key token, it's enough, I think. Where is it? Where is it? So we just do this funny thing of Kiva underscore lex set if keyword str escape control A from file add token like this, then escape again, underscore again, because I need to go in there. I don't like this. Kiva. No, let's do it again. Lex set if keyword str нет, don't do it. Okay, and then like this. Yep. Then do from file add, not add token. Nice, macro got. Underscore doesn't work. Fine. I guess. I see why it doesn't work. Okay. Underscore. Okay, I guess. Enough. Enough. I mean, I can change it to be like macro, another macro. Like define set if macro. Set if keyword. Keyword lex setting key if keyword name and type. I guess we copy this, set name in header and type in header, and then we do it again. It's not really fun to do it from this place, so let's just do it like this, do it like this. Shut up, shut. I literally typed the same stuff. Fine, it's okay. In this case, it's not really. Doesn't matter. Someone would say it's bad code, but I am saying it is not. Because that's all keywords we have. Like, it's not a big deal. I think. We still like have. What? What do you have on it? Second. Underscore 2f colon 10. Okay. Very slow. I'm very slow. I didn't finish the thing I wanted to say, but like, it's unlining. I think it's not a problem. Unwrapped loop is good most of the time. So just checking type. If type is still identifier, we just copy the string to the identifier. That's what you do. Still identifier, and where is the string? Lex token error. We do this. Token.data constring. String copy from file log temp. Yes, it's what I need. That's what I need. C left apparent has struct type use dot. Where's... it's not. String start candidate for 20. Didn't start. String start is not. Yes. Two two six. Initialized variable, it's always scary stuff, so what was that? What was that? Okay, now it works. Kinda. I mean, it doesn't because it's 256 and it's identifier. So if token type is less than 256, we do this. Else, we just try to interpret it. Else, if token type equals lex token identifier, or token type equals lex token const string, we just toc data const string, we just send a string here. Yep. Ident. We got the ident thing. That's right. That's a real one. What if we do keyword? So it's like S. S is keyword. Info S. What? Is it? So it's not what I... Okay, let's check. Is it? Let's debug. Or didn't I just add it? Okay, first one is token type 256, I guess. Yeah, token 256. It's not end of file, so let's go. It's wrong one. We skip. Okay. Next one is I think identifier. I didn't start. The character is unknown because I did skip it. Two things. Size is 2 from file. And what do you have? We have S. Lex set. Yeah, that's wrong. Wah, wah. This one is not equals. So we just... What? Okay, identifier. And then we skip because we don't know what is this. It's okay. Because we know actually what it is. So it just... We don't know it on the program level because we don't have any introspection. First one, second one, and third one is token type 334. And this one possibly is this one. I can actually test. Can I? Wait, let me look at this. Character 7, character 9. Okay. Okay, do we have Lex? Okay, it's not. Do you have any enum like view types? Yep. What is this? Eft. Unnamed. Enum. Do we have enum? Lex underscore. Yes, I see the Lex underscore what? Lex underscore what? Can I open it? Token S. Well, anyway, it does work. Now we have keywords. Possibly it's rewritten and works. Let's test it somehow. Let's just end it like this. It's a new line. For okay, we have ident for the hello. And then we do something like this. Nice. Not nice. Where? Identifier breaks the what? Breaks. Wait, what? What did even I write? Okay, let's check if unknown character space. That's interesting. Ah, actually, yeah. eat spaces. Actually eat also. Spaces are yummy. We can clear this up. One second. I'm thinking. So we ate the CH. What do we have right now? It's wrong. Okay, so it's not this part. So what if I do this? Okay, it's... What? What did happen? Okay, something changed. I think it doesn't support comment without spaces somehow. But it's... Step into... Key identifier is okay. Next. Next is comment, and then after comment, what's happening? Okay. First we check if it's comment. We eat the comment until new line. We have new line right now. We ate new line. Now what we have? We need to eat without a table. CH, what is CH? Space, we skip space. Now CH is... I see. I see. So it wants... We have multiple comment lines, but we support only one. Like, we can do chained comments. While yeah, like this. Yes, nice. We have only one identifier. Maybe two if I do this. Nice. We have a tokenizer. That's really cool. Great, I would say. Great. Nice, I like this. So what do we missing right now? Numbers. Let's process numbers. Yeah, let's... One second, exit. I need some water before I start, I guess, and if I even start. R0 echo. Yep. We don't have anything about this. Okay, let's bare screen, I guess. Yeah, I will be right back. Uh, I'm at headphones on the place stretch. I mean, oh yeah, I'm sorry for loudness. I need to clip it. My hands. Where is the mic? Filter, gator. Where's the VST? Free clip. Yeah, I need to delete this music. Chic. What is this? Where is my free clip? Where is my free clip? My favorite. Where are you? Where are you? Free clip. Free clip. I guess we don't use it. Such. Damn, this face like. What is the difference between this? Yeah, I like this Vnyan. It's called program. Oh, yeah, I'm tired. We'll come back soon. We'll come. Hey, what is happening? Oh. Who is here and who is not? Oh. Oi. What do I do? Yeah, it's not hard to do them. Numbers. But what I'm thinking about is shut up. So, first we need to do it like in the normal languages, not in C. So we don't have L to make it like long. We can just do biggest one and then we convert it to appropriate type. That's one thing I'm thinking about. The second one is I don't really want to make it like what? I don't want to do unsign. Let's do it unsigned instead. U64, and if I need to do unsigned, I will get the error, appropriate error. Let's get some copying of the. So that's not it. Process integer. So what's happening is token. First we okay, so nice creaking. Okay, let's get going. Unclear. It's unclear what we will do, so let's clear it first. What is this key for? What is Lex token? Init. We do lex token const int. Is it const int? Const int. Yep. So fun thing I can actually do is hex floats, but not really like hex floats, like, so like just like ff.ff. I can do it basically this, but it's dumb. Like oxff.ff. That's what you can do basically. I did it, but I just like, no, floats can do that. Even that they can. It looks funny. Okay. So the context is we need to just have a parse const that will do all the job. But before that we need to get the, what is it? And current and next one. This basically. U8 current, U8 next. Then let's char pick next. Pick and pick next. So if current is 0, we can do the classic C style hex and then C style binary. I think. No, I mean, I think what? U32 type. It's not parse type. I did rename it, but I don't remember where. Base. Integer base is what? By default, it's integer base digit, so it's just digits, I guess. But if current is 0, I mean not 0, this type of 0, and switch next one equals what? Case. I mean, wait. Actually, I need to check if it's not, we can just like break. Oh, I know. I'll just do case B, break. We do two advanced char, just because we want. Char lex integer base. Okay, somehow I got low energy. Parse, not parse, lex bin base. Same for x, but it's hex. Is break. Default is break, but if it's not, we just like it will be yes. Yeah, we did the base for this one, and now we can do is says integer state not parsed constant. What is the name? Not parsed constant. What? Data buffer. What? Size of constants grid. Okay, it's not. We will change this. What we need to do is like what we process the integer, so it just like integer, I guess. U64 out. Yeah, integer part. We return integer. I guess if it's failed. Integer, yep. If it's failed. B32. Lex process integer. Lexer state. U64 target. I mean, token type equals lex token error. Yeah, we don't need that. Just return the token. Okay, so now we also, before that, we need to what do we need to? Integer base. Integer. I hope I don't like write it wrong, because I always write it wrong. Okay, and so switch case, I guess. Based on this one, we do lex bin base break lex hex base or the classic digit. Else we do default assert false break, because it's where is it? Process parse const integer. So what we do is while true, I guess, is type it. Oh, I have a type it. Nice. I'm checking the camera. Oh, I did delete it. Okay. Actually, I can copy. What's happening? King. Okay, char is typed lex char is typed in video u32 integer. Yep. Lex. Char is typed, is not typed, is what number? How do I even? Lex char is what is it? No, it's not digit because it's digit is number part. Yep, kind of like this. While true, use u8 character. Lex char pick. Integer base. Integer base what? Ch. What? I don't need this. I don't need that. Character. If lex char is number. If it's not, I mean, if it's not, we just break. Else we keep going. Ah, that's what we do. Just create. Yeah, we just get the integer value out. It's not really meaning anything, so basically what is happening is we do parse const parse const integer and then parse const int. And this is a different thing actually. Very interesting. And also what we do is like what is this? Okay. So what I'm saying is, you know, there's like continents and switch integer type case what? Lex hex digit base. Кто здесь? Кто здесь? Кто здесь? Кто здесь? Кто здесь? Никого. В этом-то и прикол. О. Starting soon? No, we don't. We already started. Do you think break? How are you doing? How chat is doing? Chat is not doing because it doesn't exist. Oh. What's happening? Did What with my phone? It's like way off. Oh my god. I didn't even notice. Hello. Hello, new people. Two people I didn't even notice that. Because my phone decided to not update the follower count. That's really nice of the phone. Okay, where are we at? We a bit like 3 followers so we get to the finally to 25 mark, and I guess I can get imaging all this stuff. I don't know how it works. Okay, we have U64 result. It's an integer. It's an integer. Plus equals pointer 0. Oh, what is position? Oh, that's why I did that. But it doesn't mean anything. I can just like multiply by the base value. Just multiply by it. Yep. If it's 0, you multiply and then add the value integer plus the thing car hex to int. So this is what the actual problem we have. So lex char no, there is no problem. Hex to int buffer data, but we don't have buffer data, so we just this digit and then this. Like, yep. Wait, I did them in the wrong order. Who is looking? Okay, settings. Phone back to work. What is int pow? What is this? I need to delete. Okay, let's just check if it works. I need a lexer. N lexer. 100. That's not 100. Okay. And what we do? Lex process integer. Process integer. Integer base is 10. Alex aka lex this. Then integer u64 I yo. Then synlog write string synlog info unsigned because it's not standard. I don't care. Now I'm somehow got in caps. Okay. Parse bin is undeclared, of course it is, because it's not parse bin, it's lex bin base. Lex digit base. Lex hex base. digging. Digging. That's about it. Yep, also. Literally have literally 180. What is this? What's the problem? What is your problem again? Parse type and declare it. Yep, integer type, integer base. Next, what is next? Three or two. What? Integer type. Integer base. Lex talking to few init. Yep, it is state and the token. Okay, now it break. Because what? Why exactly? Let's check if it. Okay, red debugger, come here. Let's process it. One integer base. Oh, I see why. Wait, well, I see why it's what? 1 second. I'm not clearing it before. But that's also not my problem actually. That's problem of Cali. But let's just clear it. Still doesn't work. It shouldn't. So ch1 playing integer 1. Okay, nice. Now next is 0. No, it's not. It's pick. Char advent. Yeah, every time it's like starts to do this stuff. See, let's like doesn't finish, so it's a problem of just forgetting somewhere to continue instead of just picking. Okay, so now I do base 16. Let's try base 16 and it will be 1 FFFC, the classic FFFC, FFFD from 6502. Kind of works. Where's the... Damn, I want to sleep already. What the hell? What the hell? CLS, ACLS. Calculator. I want calculator. FFFC. Yeah, that's about right. So instead of this horrible thing I did first, now we have normal one. Let's process integer. Okay, so we did process it. And then fun thing happens. I mean, not fun thing, but imagine if it was fun thing. We just do what? We get it. Then we do Lex. I actually don't need this. Car. Next. We pick another. And if this one is dot, this one is dot, car equals dot, dot. So what we need to do is to check if the ger base equals 10 or lex digit base. If it's not, then we have some funny thing. It's token bank wrong. Okay, aka it has some weird encodings that I don't like, even that it's funny to support. Second, again. 1 second. What do I need to do? What? Yeah, I remember what I need to do. Sin lock write c string. What do we have? Base of the float value number should be 10. Yep, that's about right. And I would like to get some like sin lock write lock error lex token pick. It's okay. Do process integer, and we have as a integer part. I know how to do another one. So we do same stuff with u64 fraction part, and then we do something like u64. It doesn't matter. It's enough of u32 fraction count. So it's like divide by amount, like 10 multiplied by how much. Yep. So like 0.1. It's already fraction count is 1. So you, when its fraction part is 1, we divide it by 10 one time, and it's already what it is, I guess. So we do just lex process integer another one. Lex advance char share advance state. Yep, I guess. But instead of this, we do fraction part. And I actually need to also 64 u32 count. Yep, I will do count, and then this is the same stuff. Count equals 0. And then count 0 with count plus plus. But because it's a C, it's easier to do count pointer plus 1. I don't know how it works. I always forget. Just increment count by 1. Still, if it's 0, it doesn't mean anything for this place, but in other place it will matter. So yep, we do null, I guess. No, I'll just do integer ignore. I mean, we can do count. Yep, same. We can just do count instead of this. Doesn't matter because we already started. Hick. Hey. And this one is going to be divided by token type what? Type sheet. I don't know. My brain doesn't work. I need wake up. Lex token what? Lex token const string const float fp. Okay. And then we do the token data. Is it float? Const double. Double. And here we go. And if it's not, we just set this stuff. Const int. And there we have already what do we have? Integer part. Integer part. So what we do in here is we do double, convert it to double at first, and then we add the fraction part. But fraction part is divided by count, also double. So basically it should work. That's what it is. That's what I wanted to say. And then we just delete this, return token. Token type. Okay, we get into the float point territory. Okay, we should actually assert that we did pull the thing we did. So it's a dot. It's a dot. Too few arguments for call. Lex process integer 4. What's wrong? It's yep. U64 U32 count 0.